In this video, we'll go through the process of registering a domain. A website domain is the key to a memorable brand identity that customers will remember. You should register your business domain as soon as possible to ensure it's not taken by another business. Before we dive into the registration process, let's clarify some important things to consider. If you already have a live website hosted elsewhere, such as mycompany.com, and you don't want to disrupt its functionality, refrain from adding your main domain to your account. Doing so might disconnect your existing website. Adding a main domain. If you don't have an existing website on this domain, and you plan to build one using our platform, you can connect your main domain to your account. Ensure that your chosen main domain doesn't conflict with any existing websites you have already adding a subdomain. For those who have an existing website on their main domain, it's advisable to add a subdomain instead, such as info.mycompany.com or www.mycompany.com. Subdomains can be customized to your liking, but typically include a word as a prefix. Adding a subdomain won't impact your existing website, so you can create as many as you like. Other examples can include go, meet, chat, help, or any other word you'd like. Option 1. Direct Domain Connect. Our platform makes connecting your main domains or subdomains super easy. Here's how to do it. 1. Access domain settings. Log into your account and open the Settings and Domains tab. 2. Add a new domain. Click on the Add Domain button. This initiates the domain registration process. 3. Choose Domain Connect. During the domain registration or setup process, you'll be presented with a choice to use Domain Connect. Select this option to take advantage of the streamlined integration. 4. Enter domain information. Provide the necessary information about your domain, including the domain name and any subdomain you want to use. When adding a main domain, you can toggle automatically configuring www.a subdomain along with your main domain. We recommend you turn this on for easy access to your site. 5. Verify ownership. Click Continue, where you verify your ownership of the domain. This typically involves adding a specific record to your domain's DNS settings. 6. Complete integration. Once your domain ownership is verified, our platform will guide you through the rest of the integration process. This usually involves the system automatically configuring the DNS records for you. 7. Wait for propagation. After setting up the integration, it can take up to 48 hours for your domain to fully connect to your platform-hosted bundles or websites. In Option 2, Manual Domain Connect. You can always choose to manually add your records to avoid direct connection with your domain provider. 1. Access domain settings. Log into your account and open the Settings and Domain staff. 2. Add a new domain. Click on the Add Domain button. 3. Enter domain information. Type in the domain or subdomain you want to connect. Then click Add Record manually or continue to access the records you need for the following steps. This system will show you what records you need to add to your DNS settings. 4. Access your domains, DNS settings. 5. For main domains, add an A record with the host at symbol and point to 3, 4, 6, 8, 2, 3, 4, 4. This will redirect your main domain to your account. Remember, this record can only be pointed to one place. 6. For subdomains, add a CNAME record with the desired subdomain, for example, www as the host. Click the CNAME record to flash.funnels.msgsndr.com. 7. Click Save to add or update this record. 8. Verify records. Once you have added your DNS records, go back to the system where you can click Verify records to continue. Please note that changes to the DNS settings may take some time to propagate across the internet.